am classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here. Sorry for the bad glare. I can't seem to get the glare off their plastic for some reason, so it's very glary, but this angle seems to be okay. So today we are reviewing the Barbie Extra Minis, and we have what I would call Love Bear and Skittles. So let me see if I go in, we can kind of take a look at Love Bear, her packaging, and then you guys can get a look at Skittles. So this is the front. They don't give them names or anything, and as far as I can see, they don't number them either, so you can see them right in their packaging. And I think her getup is cute. These are currently, I think, $14.94 on Walmart.com, and I believe they are $15 in stores. I do see them dropping to $9.99 very soon. But what I'm gonna do to get this glare off is I'm gonna open them up and we're gonna jump into their review. Alright, we are back and we have the Barbie Extra Minis here. Now I know the first thing a lot of you may want to know is, what is the height difference? So we know that Barbies are traditionally 11 inches and these girls are a lot smaller. So let's get into that height. So it looks like these girls are about 5.5 inches and the traditional Barbie is about 11.5 inches. So these are supposed to be like the little sisters to the Barbie Extras, and of course if you're an adult collector we can make the direct comparison to the betweens with the LOMGs, but we're not going to go in deep into that right now. We're going to look over these girls. Now one thing that I do like about this is that these dolls come with stands. I thought that was so cool. I wasn't sure if the minis were going to get stands, but they have stands. I think that's so cute. So let's look over Miss Love Bear over here. She looks so pretty, and they do have a few points of articulation. They can move at their knee, and they can also move at the elbow, the shoulder, and of course head articulation. I really love her outfit. It is very soft. I love that they did give her a little bear waist belt. As far as I can see, this is oh no, it's 2 pieces. Oh, I was gonna say this is 1 piece, but it's 2 pieces. I really like her boots. They're purple and they tie up in the front, and you can see they're open in the back. And this is so cute. So this is her face up for those who wanted to see what their faces will be giving. Her earrings say queen on both sides. These are her glasses. They're just black with the red hearts. She has a queen bee pin on the side, and her hair is the winning factor for me because I didn't expect the hair to be decent quality. I know it looks messy, but if I was to comb it and stuff like that, it's really decent hair. It's like a darker blonde or like brown mixed in with blonde. Now today I only have 2 of the girls with me, but there is a girl with a shaved head that does have flocking, and then there is a girl with brown and like blondish type hair. So there's Care Bear, and then we have Miss Skittles over here who has her shades, her bag, her earrings, her fur coat going. She is so cute. Now I'm not a fan of these mismatched shoes, and seeing how small these girls are, I would probably have to really search to find a different pair of shoes. And they do come with the same points of articulation across the board. Cute material, and it is lined. Her shirt is 1 piece. It has the Skittles and sprinkles all over it. Sprinkles, yeah. This is her bag, and I feel like this is a bag I've seen before. Comment below, have we seen this? She comes with this really cute necklace. She has her gray earrings, of course, and then she has on her glasses that kind of rest on her nose a little bit. She does have the baby hairs up front, and her hair is a little bit of a different quality than Love Bear's hair. So it's decent, but it is a little bit drier than the other girls. It's not bad though, it's not bad. If we take these off, we can get a look at her face sculpt, and she's definitely serving face, Ihani. Yes. It is the exact same face, but I guess in a different shade, it looks a little bit different. I know some people said they didn't like how thick they made their eyebrows, but I don't mind it. I think I'm here for it. So honestly, besides that, it's really not much to the girls. I know their price point have already been up for discussion, like why are they 15 and things like that. But honestly, guys, we've been saying the same thing about the older ones. Why are they 25? But we all know within a matter of weeks or a week or two, this is kind of tricky to put on our stand. They usually go on a dolly discount, so don't worry. I'm just trying to see if I can get her on her stand for the sake of the review. Okay, so once you get them on, this is how they look once they're on their stand, and you do have to assemble the stand. It's really easy though. So what you do is you put this on from the bottom and slide it up, and then you plug the stand into the base. And something else I thought was really cool for any artists out there is you can actually keep these little portrait things and put them in front of it and like take photos, almost like a photo booth or something like that, like a photo station or something like that. I thought that was really cool. But overall, that's what I had to say about that. Now I am gonna bring in the between girls, and we're just gonna have a mini discussion about this. Like, what do I think? Do I have a preference? And things like that. Now, as of right now, it is a couple of things I like about both. I do like the face sculpts on the new minis. I do. On the new Barbie Extra minis, I do like their face sculpt. It looks very cute. It's very pouty, you know. And then when I look at the betweens, I have to say that I like the quality of clothing. Like, MGA doesn't hold back. Their nails are painted, everything, you know, they come with a lot of, and I think these are less than 15. How much are the betweens? I'm not sure. Are they $19.99 and these are what, $15? So for 16, 17, 18, 19, like a few more dollars, you could get this one. So I don't know. They have the wrist articulation along with the elbow and shoulder. But they do still have the bend and snap knees like their older siblings. So I don't know. When it comes down to the shoes, I mean, if we were to go into clothes, you guys know who's gonna win. So do we need to? You know, we already know who's gonna win. But what I'm gonna say is, I think I may like these girls for a different reason outside of simply, do they bring it, you know, to the table for each other? You know, like, do they bring it to the table? What I really like is that it is a possibility that I'm gonna be able to swap their heads and give them a full body. Now, I've never thought about doing that with the betweens or anything because I kind of like the betweens bodies, but I have thought about doing that with these new Barbie Extra minis. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna see if I can find some either Ever After High or Monster High bodies, because I saw online that they look really good on those bodies, and we're gonna come right back. I'm just gonna see what it's gonna give if we actually do swap them out. So stick around, we're coming right back. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm trying to put her head on this peg and it's not gonna work. So the hole is too small, and like the Ever After High doll peg is like too long. Like the peg is actually bigger than the head. I'm trying to figure out how I could get this to go on, but I think I would have to make like major alterations. But this is basically how they look once you take their head off. It's just like a peg like this. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. So it's kind of like a tier peg and it doesn't move. Now these pegs are familiar with Mattel. So I have this Claudine here, and I was going to use her to put this one on. This about to take her head off. She has that same tier peg. So these two are the same, but this one is like a lot larger, so they don't actually fit in. I don't know what doll I could actually use, because I was thinking Hair Adorables or something. I'm not sure. So I'll be right back because I'm not able to rebody them. I thought I was, but it's completely fine. I'm gonna get everyone's heads back on and we'll be right back. Also, a quick little side note, these girls do not stand up well, even when they're on the stand. It's the bodies, and as you can see, I couldn't get her top off in time, but basically it's just their bodies are a bit more curvy, and you can see they're taller. Let me see. I think these are they 8 inches? Probably not, probably 6. Let me see. Yeah, 6.5. So the minis are 5.5, and the tweens are 6.5. And you can see these do come with the a few points of articulation, but overall the tweens do have more points of articulation, such as wrist and things like that. So you can see it's just little differences, you know, here and there. But overall, my final thoughts on the dolls is that price point wise, they probably could be reduced in price point from that $15 price point to $9.99, which I clearly see it happen. I see Walmart doing it first, as Walmart has already discounted them down to $14. And the comparisons between them and the betweens, to me, there is no comparisons besides them obviously being little sisters to you know, bigger doll brands, bigger dolls that are already on the scene. That's the main draw I see about the comparisons between them. But the fashions, we can't compare. The fashions do not compare. The hair quality doesn't compare. It's just a lot of things that I think people shouldn't compare them for. But if you are into smaller dolls, or you know someone who is, these are cute. They come with a lot of accessories. They are made by Mattel. They come with stands, and they're cute. These are the little sisters to the extra girls, and I think they're really cute. I think the face ult is cute. I don't think it's a face up I've necessarily seen before. I think some people online were saying they've seen similar. I think these are original sculpts as far as I can see. I can't think of it, you know, like another doll that has something a little bit similar. Yes, we can name them, but is it like exactly the same? I don't know. But overall, what do you guys think? Are you a fan of the minis, or are you gonna stick with the big sisters? Hey, this is my moment. Ugh. Or do you think you're just gonna start to collect the minis? So far there are 5 to collect. You get 4 you can buy like a solo, and then there's 1 that comes with a playset. So let me know what you guys think of today's video. Like, share, and subscribe. I do apologize. I thought I was going to be able to do a transformation in this video, but it didn't happen. Maybe next time. I'm hoping I can find some of the betweens so I can add maybe 1 or 2 more of those to my collection. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. If you have any more questions about these dolls, drop it in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at Cali Storm Dolls. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.